Welcome to our channel. In this session, we will discuss the terms tautology, contradiction, and contingency. What is mean by tautology? The tautology means a proposition formula is always true. A proposition formula is always true. Then it is called tautology. For example, consider the propositions P or negation P. Check P or negation P. The truth values of P is true and false, and negation P in the sense false and true. Now construct P or negation P true false. It is true, false true. This is true. That means a formula whatever we are given, it is true in all the combination of the statements. For all the combination of the statement, the result is true. That is called tautology. For example, P implies Q or Q implies P. Check this one also. Check whether it is true or not. So, P implies Q. First we write down PQ. True, 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 false, false, true, and false, false. And P implies Q is equal to true, false, true, true. Q implies P is equal to reverse. True, true is true, false, true, 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 false, 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 true. Now this statement P implies Q or operation with Q implies P. True, 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 true. Now observe the result is true for all the combinations. Now you got it? Tautology means the proposition formula is tautology if it is true for all the combination of the propositions. Okay, like one example, P or negation P, it is always true. Next one, contradiction, exactly reverse. Contradiction in the sense, a proposition formula is contradiction means it is false in all the combinations. Here it is true. In the similar sense, it is false in all the combinations. Okay, we will move with one example of contradiction. P and negation P. P and negation P. Suppose P values are true and false. Negation P values are false, true. And we check P and negation P false and false. So if it is false in all the cases, then that is called contradiction. If it is false in all the cases, then that is called contradiction. For example, this is one more. P or negation P, the entire negation. Got it? We already know P or negation P. Again I will write P or negation P. The result is true. Now negation of result. Negation of P or negation P. False, false. This is also an example of contradiction. Clear? Now the last one is contingency, means it is true for some combinations and false for some combinations. Our regular logical connectivities. Suppose P and Q. One case it is true. Remaining three cases it is false. P or Q. P implies Q. So our regular we are using the contingency. That is, in some cases it is true. In some cases this is false. But you need to remember the two terms. It is true in all the combinations, that is called tautology. It is false in all the cases, that is called contradiction. In the next sessions, we will discuss different large compound expressions and we need to prove whether that is a tautology or contradiction with examples. Thank you.